A finch. A meadowlark. A thrush.
Smoke detector in need of replacement.
Is that native to these parts?
Well, sort of. It's one of the sounds of fire safety. When you hear the single chirp every 30 or 60 seconds, it means the battery in your smoke detector is low and must be changed. If the chirping continues even after putting a new battery, it means the alarm is at the end of its life and must be replaced. When you hear that continuous set of 3 loud beeps, that means smoke or fire. Get out, call 911, and stay out. A continuous set of 4 loud beeps means carbon monoxide is present in your home. Once again,
Get out, call 911, and stay out.
that's right. Now you know the sounds of fire safety.
What's that one?
I'm not sure what that one is. I think we should go. For more information on smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, contact the Oak Park Fire Department.